Great work on designing the next big thing. Now, how will you turn your vision into reality? Specifically, what welding technology will make production possible? An application analysis from Sunstone can help in 3 easy steps. First, send your workpieces to our welding lab. Simply box them up and ship. Second, we'll identify the best welding solution, documenting with photos, videos, and a written analysis. Third, we'll return your workpieces with recommendations. It's that easy. Need an NDA? No problem. Tight deadline? Send your workpieces today and we'll help you meet it. Sunstone manufactures world-class micro-welding solutions from AC, CD, DC, HF, laser, and pulse arc. The world's greatest brands trust our technology. A Sunstone micro-welder could be the key to your success too. Text us, call us at 1-801-658-0015. Sunstone, the micro-welder experts.